Hey everyone, I'm back again with an unboxing for you guys. Two unboxings actually. So, I got the Gamestop exclusive, the Black Friday box they were selling. It's there's pops in it. I think there's some chase variants. I got two of them, just on the off chance I might get something different. But I'm gonna open them up and see what we got. Now the value was well, it cost $20 for the box. We'll see. I'm just hoping I don't get a duplicate. That's all I'm really hoping for. And also a Joker pop would be nice in this. But we'll see what we ended up with. All right, so what's in it? Is it cool stuff? Okay, so let's see. Bunch of Street Fighter stuff. It's an 8-bit Ryu, which is okay. That's not bad. It's not a chase version. I'm not sure what the chase version is. That's all. It's just a 8-bit version of Ryu. Then we got a keychain. I think there's a there's a lanyard in there too. And what is this? Socks. Batman socks. What is this? Yeah, they're Batman socks. Not bad. I don't know if it's worth $20, but that's a cool pop. Let me see what's in the other one. I'm really hoping no duplicate. I'm gonna be pissed. Of the 5 chances or the pops they showed, there was the Joker, Ryu, Raiden, Predator, and I think Mega Man. I'm not sure. I don't really remember. Just no duplicate, please. Please don't be a duplicate, is it? It is. God damn it. Oh, that pisses me off. It's not even a chase version either. Both boxes exactly the same, so that's quite disappointing. I really thought there was more variety in these boxes, but what can you do, right? I'll be back again with another unboxing shortly. I think my next one will be a loot crate or a what else was the other one? Oh, or I got a Stranger Things crate. I'm gonna see if that's good. But yeah, this kind of, I mean, come on, really? Both exact same. Whatever. Peace out.